that needs to just go like that and kind of stop that from coming down. Okay, get rid of this, get rid of this. Just throw it wherever. Get rid of all the paper, don't want that in. And then I need to seal this. So that's not real straight, is it? Okay, so let me trim this a little bit. And then I will go ahead and cover this. And I'm just going to put a little bit of shortening on here. And then see that gap? I'll even fill that in with shortening. And then I'm going to cover this with some red rolled fondant. Red or green? We'll see. Or brown. See where that gap is? I need to get a little bit more in there. I don't want to have that gap. And a little on top. And then I need to roll out my red fondant. Okay, so I decided to actually cover it in a dark green. So I'll poke a little hole in there, press that on, and then just smooth all this down. And I actually need to do the bottom of this too, which probably would have been easier if I did that first on this one, but what can you do? I can actually cut this piece because that's good for the bottom. Flip that over and save that piece. That's right, I'm always thinking, always thinking. Open in. Go ahead and trim, and I'll actually just tuck some of this down. Okay, so bring that down and then trim. Like that for a second. Take some shortening. Brush that right on that top area, and then we'll go ahead and pop this piece on. Okay, and trim that also. So I just want to make sure that this comes out, and we'll have a little bit of trim there at the bottom to cover up that seam. And let me flip it on over. Put the hole in it like so. Okay, like I said, we'll have trim down there, and we can go ahead and place this on. All right, so over the top we go. Sometimes when I was pushing that down, sometimes it helps to twist it when you go down like that. I'll just pop that in there. Actually, I could just do that. Okay, so these two will be over the pipe, and this one will be slightly above it, so we'll probably use a skewer to hold that one on. On these trees, I thought I would do the center one, center part of the tree, which is this one, in the darker green, like the base, and then the other two in the lighter green, like this one. Yeah. Okay, so this one I'm going to roll out and cover the bottom first. So I'll just take shortening and rub that on the bottom, flip this upside down, and attach it, and trim or even pull off around the sides. All right, I'm going to move to the others and do the bottom of those first also. So there's that one, and you could flip it over the other way, or you can do it this way, whichever is easier for you. Either way will work. All right, so I'll take it, flop it on over, and then just bring it over to the edge. And voila! Okay, kind of bring that up a little bit. Okay, what I want to do here is, before I cover the top, is actually place it on. So let me pop this on over, kind of twist it so it goes over that foil. See? There we go, get that foil in there, that's right. Show it who's boss. Okay, and that goes down. And the reason is I would like to do a little bit of trim. I think I'm going to use this strip cutter here. So I'm going to cut out the same color, only I need to do it in a strip. I don't think I need those anymore. And let me get the tape a little closer to me. And again, this was the front over here. All right, so